This King's Gambit attack ends in a forced win in just 18 moves. Stockfish confirms the position is completely lost for black. Let's see how white destroys the king step by step. We begin with the King's Gambit accepted. White sacrifices a pawn for rapid development and open lines, while black chooses an ambitious but risky kingside expansion. After f4, black grabs the pawn but pushes the key pawn aggressively. These pawn moves gain space, but they also weaken the king and delay development. Here comes the first major decision. Bishop takes f7, a classic sacrifice. The king is forced into the open, and black immediately loses the right to castle. With queen h5 check, the king steps into the center. This is already dangerous territory. White calmly recovers material and keeps every piece aimed at the king. Now comes the key attacking principle. White pushes e5, opening lines while black's pieces remain undeveloped. The attack is building. White castles. This move is critical. The king is safe, the rook is activated, and the attack can now proceed with full force. Pawn takes f6 with check, another sacrifice. The king is dragged forward again. Then comes rook f6, a powerful rook lift that threatens decisive penetration. Rook takes g6, white gives up the exchange to remove the final defender. Stockfish now shows a completely winning position. Bishop f6 check. This is the final blow. Mate is unavoidable, and black has no defense left. This is attacking chess at its finest. Development, sacrifices, and precise timing. If you enjoyed this game, subscribe for more attacking masterclasses.